I have Wayne here from Lenny's Classic Cars.
Yeah, today at Lenny's Classic Cars, we're going to finish up the engine on the 1935 SS1 and finally get it started up for the first time in many, many years. As you can see here, I'm just adjusting some of the carburation, and we'll get some starter fluid in there and let's fire it up.
Wow, well, it started pretty good. What, about 20 years since it ran?
I'm guessing it may have been longer than that. Can't be for sure. You know, in 1935, most of the SS1s would have come with either a 16 horsepower or a 20 horsepower flathead engine. This one actually has a overhead valve engine, which would have only came in a very late 35 into 36 engines. You know, here we are just getting it tuned up and trying to get it going correctly.
Wow, looks nice. That hood looks nice.
Yeah, that's re-chromed. It's the original pieces, just re-chromed, put back together.
Wow, that's a nice shot of the engine. No, that valve cover looks nice. Like a new cover.
Yeah, that's a pretty nice cover. It still needs a little polishing to finish it up, but it'll look great. It'll look perfect when it's done.
Oh, I see you're getting the instruments into the interior.
Yeah, the instruments have to be there for starting the engine, so we can make sure we have correct oil pressure, voltage, temperature, water temperature, so on and so forth.